do not like about this new Photoshop is that when I go to save as, I end up, all my work, I end up right below save as is revert, and it will erase everything that you just did. So that's not really cool that you would put revert right next to save. And here, I'll show you up in the drop down menu up here. Can you see that? Right here, and file. So like here's, let me finish this out. Okay, color green. This is supposed to be a green-headed tanager, but he's got a blue head. All these tanagers, it's kind of like a turquoise blue. Anyway, okay, so let's go up here. So, no, file, save as. So right now, why is it not letting me save? Is it because I'd have to crop it first? Okay, so like you go up here to save as. And sometimes I'm in a hurry, so like it'll drop down to revert, and they've got to know that, so it'll just erase. I've done that several times. Anyway, all right, I am getting ready for bed, but I'm just editing some one more. I literally took these with my phone. You can see the shadow of my phone down here, so I'm gonna crop that out of the picture and just cool it down, because I just, like I said, I took this with my indoor ceiling lights in my studio. That's the laundry that's going in the other room. All right, we're just editing. Okay. So let me just like tone it down. I just brightened it a little, and let's just cool down the hue a little bit, just like slightly, because it's too warm. And this is what it, I mean, here's the painting. And see, even on my video, it's the warm lights above me that are making it look yellow. It's not yellow. If we had natural sunlight, you'd see that this is white, but on the video it looks yellow. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and save as again. Okay. All right. Never been in my store. Behind the scenes, this is where I go to listings, and I'm just going to duplicate a listing because this is the same size of paper. It's the same exact paper as this painting here, so I'm just going to do a duplicate up here and change the name. I have to do this with one hand, so bear with me. I'm usually a fast typer, but typist, I guess is the right word, headed. But I'm doing this like one finger typing. Tanager. Okay, number 3. And yes, I have old school washing machines. I don't have the front load. These are the top load, simple ones, which I actually prefer because you can just like throw a sock in, like if you dropped one, and then you're like 5 minutes in, you're like, oh, I found a sock on the floor. So you can just, they're just not computerized. It's the old school way of doing things. Okay, so I'm gonna add my image now. Thinking. I don't know why it's taking so long. All right, so this is on my downloads. seems like it's taking a while tonight. There's a little blue bar up there. Okay. I'll probably improve the paintings. If this hasn't sold, I'm gonna, in the morning, take better pictures with natural sunlight. So this painting was on clearance, so it's no longer gonna be on, this is a new painting, it's not gonna be on clearance. So I put the price there. It's got the weight. I should have the country selected. It is USA and the harmonized coding system. Alright, and then here, since it was on sale and it's not a butterfly, I just changed my categories. You can set up your own categories. So it's going to be bird and new arrival. Those are my categories, watercolor, and then new. These are just tags here. And then save up here. I'm saving. And then after you've saved it, you can go to view. This is like the actual listing. And just check it out. It still looks pretty warm. So I'll take some better photos tomorrow. Alright, you can also I can pin it. I've got my pins linked to my shop, so I like to do that. I have a one called From My Studio in Pinterest. And so you can see it now. Let me go there and you can see it. Maybe. Alright, maybe not. And then I can do the same on Facebook. So I have my page, Pratt Creek Art. So let's say new watercolor. You can just share to different platforms. Again, one finger typing. All right. So yeah, just let's see. So I've got Twitter. I don't really use this fancy, or the Google Plus no longer works even. They got rid of it. I don't know how to get rid of the link down here. But you can play around with that. So yeah, that is how I get a new listing. And then also if you go to my homepage, it's going to show up in my new arrivals because I made it a new arrival. And I should probably put it in my tropical bird because they have a new, so here's the new arrivals. And then I have, I'm going to add it to the category tropical birds because that's one of my collections right now. It's tropical. Okay, and then go up and save it. And then on my home page, it will be in the new section I have called, here's like featured collections I have. And this is tropical bird art. Whoa, I don't know why. It doesn't seem to be linked properly. Here we go. Alright, so these are all sold, so I need to move those out of here so people can shop for what's available. There it is. This is a free template that I'm using, and you can buy other ones, or there's others that are free as well. I mean, it's free, but I pay for a premium Shopify subscription, so I don't know how free it is, but there are some that you can pay more for. So I don't necessarily know if I like how some are bigger than others as far as the listing, but I do like how clean this template is. It's called Brooklyn, and yeah, I just like the fonts they use, and how white and clean, like a gallery space it looks. So it just kind of shows off the art more than the website. So I think that's what I like about it. Yeah, so and here's my home page. I have like a scrolling. Can change these out maybe sometime. That's like a huge bird. I need to fix that. That's like not really good for the front page. So anyway, yeah, it's my website.